How do?
The entire musical score accompanying this film was composed on a computer that can produce nearly endless variations of sounds.
G8.
The art of computer graphics is only in its infancy. The computer converts these numbers into impulses that cause sound waves to come directly from a loudspeaker. Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
CQ.
Hello and welcome everyone. We're late again. We're a little late, sorry about the being late, sorry. I forgot and misplaced my ATX power supply. But I've got it now. And I'll be with you. Hello. ATX PSU 7 Amiga B2000 case, and let's have a bit of
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer to for the carriage. But you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built.
just making sure the audio is good. How do you do? Right, welcome to this. What is this? This is just this. It's just, we did that yesterday. Quad speed and the floppies. ATX power supply next. Right, so here we go. Bit late because I've tried to find, I've misplaced it, but I found it now. Okay, let's get on with it. Right, right, let's get some basic sizes. Let's get some basic sizes off it. So we've got a Corsair power supply. This is a faulty one. This one is faulty. It's blown up, but it's quite a nice looking one. So it's got a few things that will be interesting to model. Be quite interesting to model. And it's, I believe, should have the fixings in the right place. Should have the fixings in the right place. Alright, let's just move the empty box. Right, so it's coming together slowly, this case. Slowly coming together. What I should do is have it switched on. Never mind. Right, so what did I do? Looks like I haven't quite slotted that in properly. So anyway, yeah, I didn't assemble it too well. Right. What did I do with that ruler? Where's that gone? There it is. Okay, let's start. What we're going to start with? Let's start with the... Let's do this from the back of the computer today. Spin it round to the back. Let's give ourselves some room. Okay. So there's two ways to put this power supply. Label down, fan up. I suppose, yeah, I'll do it with the writing the right way up. Why do the case? Don't know. Yeah. One way the logo is one way up, and then the other way it's the other way up. Anyway. Let's see, let's just get the basic size of it. Right. Is there a basic size of it? 1.4. It's like 150, isn't it? It's sort of 149. Oh, it's 149.5. I don't think we got. I think we'll just say 150. 150 width. What's the height? I'll tell you what. We'll do the other way. The depth. 150 by 160. That looks very agreeable. So 150 by 160. Okay. Right, so I think that should have been... Oh no, it's right. Just looks wrong. Yeah, that's right. And the depth, what we got depth-wise, let's have a look depth-wise. It's a pity this is not a modular one, it's got all the cables hanging off it. Anyway. Right, let's get... Right, so that's, it's looking like... It's difficult to tell. So I'd say it's 86.5. Do I want to go the half? Do I want to do the half? Let's try it from there. 86.5. I don't know. Do I want to do halves? I'm tempted to do 87. Let's just do 87. I don't like halves. Right, so we're going to go up 87. Okay, so let's just colour it. No, let's not colour it. Not yet. Anyway, let's make it into a component. And let's put it somewhere. Let's have a look at it, try it for size. Oh, it's a big one. But it does fit. Yeah, it does fit. So, let's move it over a little bit. Something like that. Okay, so... Right, that's it then. So, yeah, Thank you for watching. No, only joking. Yeah. It'll be alright as a placeholder, but nothing else. Right, so let's bring it out to model it. Well, thank you for watching, and yeah. Let's bring it out here so we can work on it. Alright, so what are we going to do first? What are we going to do first? IDC socket. Yeah, they do stick up then, do? Yeah, right, okay. Fixing holes. Let's do the most important thing is the fixing holes first. Let's do them. Because these fixing holes are in a place for a reason, aren't they? As in, see, 30mm. Is that 30mm? Yeah. Right, okay. So, I'm liking this one. Because they've actually stuck to nearest sizes, I think. I'll let you know in a minute. So 30mm from there, and yeah, 145. No, 144. 144. And then we've got, oh right, okay, go on then. 6mm. 6.5. That's there, so, 6. It's hard to tell. 6. So 6mm. Yeah, it's not the most exciting part of a retro computer. That's another 6mm from that side. Oh, have that 6mm already? Yeah, it is. So they at least kept the 2 screw holes the same. Right, now, whereabout are they? Let's have a look. That'll also be 6mm. No, looks a bit more than 6mm. Mind you, I'm not quite on enough, am I? That probably is 6mm. Let's say it's 6mm. Now it's getting a bit boring, isn't it? It's getting boring just doing a ATX case. What we could do with is some Amiga stuff going on in the background, really. 6mm. Right, and now from the top, is this 6mm again? Let's have a look. No, definitely one isn't 6mm, one's in a weird place. So that one will be, there is one 6mm. And the next one down is 16mm down. Okay, so we've got some holes, and what size holes are they? Let's say they're 3mm. They're probably not, but let's say they're 3mm. Right, so one has to go. Let's have a look. Oh god, what have I done? Have I got it upside down? After all that, have I been measuring it upside down? I think I have, haven't I? Okay. That's okay. Let's just... No, I've done it the right way, yeah. Okay, so we want 1.5 there. 1.5 there. And then we want... It's not there, it's there. And the bottom one is down here. Okay, so there's 4 screw holes. Let's have a look around it to make sure. I don't think there's any other screw holes. No, that's all we've got. So it's just held with the 4 screws, which I already knew really, but anyway. Right, so we've got them. Let's push them in. Now, if we push them in and they're the wrong colour, we'd have to do it again. So let's not do that. Let's colour it before we push them in. Otherwise, I'll go around colouring inside holes. Don't do that. Right, yo. Let's just check audio. If we push them in and they're the wrong colour. Yeah, so audio is okay. There's a bit of activity on 40 meters coming from somewhere. As soon as you tune to it, it goes. They don't talk for long enough.
Beautiful signal of Ron all the way from Spain to Qatar. Good to have you today, Tabby.
Spain to Qatar.
Thank you very much for the nice report.
Right, okay, so we've got a basic thing. So let's colour it. What colour is it? It's a matte black. Yeah, so it's a synthetic surface black sort of thing. Plastic coated steel. So let's go on here. You can't see this actually, but anyway, you will be able to see it if I shrink the layers a minute. Yeah. So we want a synthetic material surface, and that one. Let's paint it. Right, that's not quite what we're after. No. Right, so that's not going to do it. So we're going to have to go for a colour. What else we got? Window coverings. Window coverings. Patterns, roofing, metal. Colours, carpet, fabrics, leather. What's that like? No, it's the same one. That's the same one. Cladding and brick cladding. No. Asphalt and concrete. What's that one? No. Right, so we'll go on just go plain colours. It's if we have it too dark, it's not too bad actually. What's it look like? So you can't see the outline, so let's go a little bit. Okay, so it's just going to be grey. Oh well. Yeah, if it's too dark, it doesn't show it well. Okay. So we've coloured it. Now the problem is, why the holes aren't coloured? Let's colour the holes as well, save me having to try to colour this stuff. Right, we're going to go in. I don't know how far to go in. It's only going to be thin, isn't it? So 2 mil. All the way. Now let's go 10 mil. What's that like? Yeah. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No, I'll tell you what. It does matter. So let's go. Let's go 4 mil. 4 mil. 4 mil. 4 mil. Right, so we've got the holes. Okay. Got to keep saving it. Right, so we've got our holes. Anyway, last time I disabled the flat script extension with the extension manager, and it hasn't crashed since. So if this gets through this session, 2 or 3 hours, without crashing, we can probably definitely say it was the flat script, and I know it was anyway. So I don't know why, whether that's just the Ruby crashing or the script itself. It's probably just the Ruby. It wasn't doing a brilliant job. The installation of the Ruby, maybe. Right, so we've got that. What else? Let's have another look at some details. Let's have a look. So we've got this GS 700. It's blown up, doesn't work, but it's nice looking. It's way over the top power wise, 700 watt. Yeah, but it's over the top. But anyway, so you can see it's angled, and I haven't actually put the lid on right. Really, that's not good on my part. I've not slotted the thing in, so I'm modelling it really, and it's throwing me out. So do we correct that now? We'll carry on with it. Right, so what are we going to model next? What we want is an IDC socket now. I'm pretty sure I've modelled one somewhere else, so I think I'll save that. Let's go fishing. Let's have a look if I've modelled one somewhere else. Right, now I did model it when an A500 case I made at one point. How far did I get with that? I've been trying to make a case for years. This is probably out of aluminium. Yeah, so that's as far as I got with that. So I've got a damn sight further with this one. Anyway, interlude there. Right, so oh, demo box. That's probably it. Let's have a look. Ah, this is only a cutout. Oh no, it's not only a cutout. It's sort of a cutout. What is it? These are the pockets. So where? I'm sure I modelled it. Maybe it's being hidden. The layers. No, there's no layers on it, so it's not being hidden. So that's not the one. Let's keep looking. Demo case. Just trying to look for it.
Roger. Thank you very much. Good to see you, Grant. Thank you very much for stopping by, Johnny. Your audio is amazing.
I thought I modelled it. Didn't I model? Yeah, I spent ages modelling it. But I think I modelled, yeah, it was a different type. Forget that. Let's go back to, I'll just make it. We'll just make it. Right, so we'll do it on here. No, we won't. We'll do it on it, but not in it.
Broadcasting audio, I can tell you.
Well, let's measure it. Yeah, I had a different one with a fuse holder built in, but this one's different. So we'll build it in situ. 8. So we want a line over 8. So 8 millimeters. And we start. Yeah, let's start flush with that. 22 millimeters. And come up from the bottom. 33. Let's say 33 millimeters. Right, let's see what we've got here. 30 and a bit. 30 and a bit, so let's see if we've got 30 and a bit here. 32, that's a little bit big. Little bit big, so why is that a little bit big? So it's 31. No, it's 30 and a half. Right, okay. So let's say it's 34 from the bottom. 34 from the bottom. What have we got now? 31. Okay, let's just go down a bit. What have we got there? 22. So let's say it's 22.5. So what we got now? 30.5. Is that right? Yeah. 30.5 is good. Right, over now from the edge. 29. 29 and it's 22. Okay, so we're gonna go 29 over, and we should be 22. 21. What went wrong? So 8 over. And 22. Alright. Okay. 8 over. 21. Okay. It's not working out, is it? So 29 from the edge. Oh my god, does it even matter? That's 30 from the edge. It's actually 30 from the edge. Right, let's have a look. 22, is that right? Yeah. Okay. And we've got rounded corners. We'll need some rounded corners now. So to do rounded corners, what's that? 1.5, 2 mil, 2.5. Yeah, let's try that. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. 2.5. Right, let's put some lines in, so we'll go like that.
Mike 0 Delta Shooter Papa. Mike 0 Delta Shooter Papa.
Okay.
Mike 0 Delta Shooter Papa.
Too large, it doesn't like that. Oh well, we'll do it, we'll cheat. We'll cheat.
Mike 0 Delta Shooter Papa. Mike 0 Delta Shooter Papa.
Okay, and so we've got a surface, right? Okay, so right, want some depth to it. Let's do some depth to it. How deep is it? 5 mil. It's 5, so we've got to raise it up 5 millimeters. Let's do that. 5 millimeters. Okay. So we've got 5 millimeters. We still got to make the tabs. Let's do the tabs next. Right. So this, the top of the thing is 9 mil. Yeah, 9 millimeters up. So we've got to go 9 millimeters down. 9 millimeters up. And we've got to go in the middle. Like that. And then we've got to do the shape. So it's pretty straight up until the top. Okay, so let's keep it all 2.5 mil. See what that does it for us. 2.5 mil. Okay. Right. What am I drawing? Width of it. The angle. So yeah, we want 7 mil. Let's say 7 millimeters. So we've got to go this way. 3.5. Okay, so then we want to draw. Treat a line. Starts from the edge, actually. Starts from the fold. So this might not work out. Hang on, that's there. No, it doesn't start from there. It starts from... Yeah, it starts back a bit. So anyway, let's try and go. So yeah, it's got to go up there, and it's got to go to the point. Yeah, there. I need to look at it at a slightly different angle. Can't do that once it cuts it off, so there it is there. Then I've got to do a arc from there to there to there. No, that's not good, is it? That won't be enough. If I do it to there, it looks right, but it's not long enough. 8.2. Let's have a look at that. 8.2. It's 9, isn't it? Anyway, I think 8.2 is going to be okay. Is it? 8 point. It's probably 8.9. 9 mil. Right, so let's just undo, and we said we'd done. Let's go 4 mil instead. 4 mil. Let's get rid of these two. Draw the line from there to there. Arc from there to there to. Still not quite right, but that's better. Okay, so we'll copy that. Copy that. Let's turn it round. Oh, come on, you can do it. How do I spin this round? Can't get it round. So we can't get it round, so we'll just draw it again. Why not? So we're going to go from there to there. Right. Where's all the... Right. Okay. Okie dokie. Right, so we've got some tabs. Now the tabs, what do they do? How deep? They're not as quite as deep as the other bit, so they're 2.5. They only come up 2.5 millimeters. 2.5. Okay, so we've got there. Right, we've got our IDC socket, is it? Or IEC socket. That's it. Right, let's put some holes in it. So we're coming back from there. 5 mil. So the screws are 5 mil. They're 5 mil. And what? Yeah, countersunk. 5 mil. So they're 5 mil again. .5. Oh, that's quite a lot. Okay, because they are countersunk, but yeah, they're countersunk, so I should do them countersunk really and put the screws in. Excuse me. Right, let's do the countersunk then. So the middle bits would be, yeah, so if I do a circle, let's say it's 3 mil. Well, that'll do 1.5 mil. Okay, so we've got that. Now, yeah, we've got all these subjects, that's right. Save it. Right, let's no, shall we colour it before we better add. Better colour it before. Now that is gonna be a hole. Let's see if we can do it this way. Now let's colour it first. Right. So we want some colour black again. Same colour or darker? It does look the same colour, slightly different shade, so slightly darker. So we'll do that. That's almost the same one, isn't it? Hang on, let's try that one.
This call the mobile tool again with my son, my wife and me. We are getting older than on the photograph, but I think it still works. Okay, Carlito, it's always a pleasure to meet you on the band. So, yeah, enjoy the acting. You've got a beautiful signal here in you. So, yeah, wish you all the very best, and once more, many thanks for the contact for another nice one. Juliet Hotel 3, November Golf Delta, Euros Delta Lima 8, Fox Italy. 73, have a good night, and sayonara, Carlito-san.
Sayonara. Sayonara. Okay, that'll do for that. We've got some weirdness going on there. What's that? Anyway, that's probably because it's selected, isn't it? Right, so what we're going to do now is we want to push the hole through. So push the hole through to there and the other side. Okay, so we've got a very nice blank IEC, but we haven't got. So at the end of March, to see what he will say after that travel. All the very best. Thank you very much, Carlito. Bye bye. Sayonara. Domarigato. Arigato. Arigato. Yeah. Okay, so we need to countersink. So we can't countersink it all. It's 5mm thick. So what we'll do is we'll grab that. And we'll go down 2mm, 2.5mm. Is that too much? It is it looks too much, but it's probably 2.5mm countersink. Okay, I tell you what we'll do. We'll go down only 2mm. Alright, 2mm. What's that like? It's quite thin. So let's go down. Doesn't like that angle. Hang on. Let's go down 1.5mm. What's that like? Yeah, that's better, like that. You can see I haven't got to go around colouring it because it's already got the same colour. Let's try and do this one. Not sure if it'll like me from this angle. 1.5mm, wasn't it? Was it 1.5? Yeah. Okay. So we will need some screws, which I'll do later. Okay, so we've got the size there, so we can get rid of outside geometry now. Oh, let's get rid of some geometry. Just makes a mess of everything. Oh, we've got it all, right. We've got some weirdness going on here. What is that? Can it be filled? No. No, it's not. Can't be done. Right. Anyway, so. Oh well, it's got I can't say it, anomaly. It's got an anomaly. Oh hell. Right, is anyone on 20 meters instead of what we got here? There's never anyone on 20 meters anymore. No, dead. What about 17 megahertz? 17 meters. Nothing. 10 meters. Dead. So there's never much on in the evenings. Weekends normally. Right, anyway. Right. So let's save what we've got. Make sure I'm still on the right screen. So we've got to do some more geometry now to it. Alright, let's do the rest. Pins. So that is 2.5 mil. And that is 2 mil. So we want 2.5 mil and 2 mil. And we want 7 mil. So we need 7 mil up, 7 mil down, and we need in across. What we got? 7 mil. Yeah, 7 mil across as well. So 7 mil across. Okay, so that should give us a straight edge of something like 20 millimeter straight edge between there and there. No. 16.5. Why is that so much different? Oh no, it wasn't 20 mil, it was. Yeah. Yeah, let's say it's 16 mil. So what have we got? 16.5. Could it be 16.5? Let's have a look. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, could be. Right, let's fill in some spaces. So we've got that to that. Right, and right, something not quite right here. Hang on. So we've got that across. We haven't allowed for the edge to come in. So we've got 2.5. Right, so we want some 2.5. It's got to go 2.5 that way. 2.5 that way, and we've got to bring this over to there. There. Alright, and then we've got to have a curved bit. So we've got 2.5 and 2. Yeah, it is a bit thicker there. So, we've got to start. Is it 2.5 from there? 2.5 from there. No, that's not what we want. 2.5. So And probably need 2.5 on that. That's not 2.5, is it? There it is. No. Phew. Excuse me. Right, so let's try again. 2.5. So we've got 2.5 and 2.5. So do a line from there to there. We'll go a line from. Hang on, we need some more stuff up here. 2.5. So we can have a line from there to there, and from there to there, and we want an arc from there to there. It won't let me do one, so I'll have to do a circle. Do a circle and get rid of the back of the circle. Yeah, that'll do it. Okay, so we've got that. So that's got to go down. Can't tell how far down it's got to go, so I'll have to put something down here and measure the thing, 'cause I can't get my ruler down here. Okay, so what have we got here? 17.5. Do I trust it? Do I dare trust it? Yeah. 17.5. So let's just pop that down. 17.5. Okay, and that's okay because we're still stuck on here. So what we need to do is disappear this for a minute. So we need another layer. Right. PSU. So I'll put that on the PSU layer. Where is it? PSU layer. And hide the PSU layer. So now we've got. So why have we not got a black? That's not right, is it? What happened there? Tell you what we'll do. We'll undo. Right. Hang on. Undo. 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 Alright, now I've got to go and redo the layer. Have I got a PSU layer? No, I've deleted it, so let's put it PSU layer. Put that in the PSU layer again. And hide the PSU layer. Right, okay. That's why it didn't work out very good. Do we need all this stuff now? No. Let's get rid of some of this geometry. So, what happened? Don't need that now, do we? Can I delete that? Will that let me? Yeah. Okay, and it needs to be the same colour. But we've got a flat there, but we have got. Why have I just deleted that? Am I crazy? I'm mad. I need them. Yeah, I can colour it. I need that to pull it down. But it's not exactly the same size, is it? It's got to be cut out. So it will have a rim on it, and I can't really tell the size of the rim. No, I can't tell the size of the rim, so I just lost something when I lost. Oh, there it is. Right, so let's just use this tool here and come in, say, let's just say 2.5 mil. Okay, that's a bit much. It's made the corners square, hasn't it? Yeah. Undo that. Let's do 2 mil. That's better. It's got a bit of roundness to it. Right. So the depth. We're gonna have to guess the depth. I'm not going to pull it out of the case. So let's have a look at the depth. What are we gonna? Oh, we already know the depth. We measured the inside depth at 17.5. Let's say it's 5 mil more, so 22.5. Okay, so we've got 22.5. What is that line? Oh, it's just a glitch on the graphic. So then we're going to push this down by 17.5. Yeah, so we've got... Oh, what's that? What is that? Why would that be like that? There's an extra line there, was there something? No. Okay, I don't know why it's like that. It shouldn't be, should it? But we'll pretend we never saw it and we'll just colour it in. We've got another glitch. Oh well. Right. That's lines overlapping, isn't it? Where's that coming from? Oh, why did that happen? There's something not quite right here. Tell you what we'll do. We'll undo the paint, undo the push-pull on that one. We'll have to go in 3D. We might have a rogue line here. So we'll go into 3D. See if we can't see a weird line anywhere. No, I can't see no weird line. That is weird. Apart from... Yeah, we have some internal geometry for some reason. Why do we have that? Oh no, it's not internal, it's, yeah. Because that layer is... It's got no thickness, has it, that layer? Right, that's it, so it needs to have a thickness. So what we'll do is we'll go with it. We'll undo the push-pull. Go back here. Right, we've got one line, but we've got no thickness. So let's give it some thickness. Let's say it's don't know, let's say it's 2 mil. 2 mil. Right, so then we'll pull this. Yeah, we'll pull this up 22.5, and that's gonna have to be pulled up to there also. Now what have we got here? Now we need to push that down 17.5, and we've still got the thing there, even though we've still got this here. So, oh, it's the back of there, isn't it? Right, I can see what's going on. So what we need, yeah, we happen to have done the same width as that. Yeah, because it is the same width as that. Right, I got it. Right, let's undo the push-pull. We've got that there. Let's undo the push-pull again. So we've got that there, which just happened to be on the same line as this, which we don't want. So we've got 2.5. Because we're 2 mil on this side. 2.5 there, so I need to go around the back. Need to go around the back of here. Trouble when you do it dark colour, you can't see it, it's a bit dark. Right, so go around the back of here. Let's measure this. 2 mil. And we've got 2 mil there. Tell you what, to avoid this problem, let's can we undo an offset? Yeah, and undo another offset. Let's make it less. So it's 1.5 mil. That might help us. So right, let's pull that back 22.5. What we got this side, allow us enough room to push into it. Yeah, that's it. So we'll go down 17.5. So, aha, here we go. We've got no glitches now. We'll give it some thickness. There's a glitch there, but none on what this bit. Okay, so we got that. There's a 5 mil, should be 5 mil on the back plane. Okay, so that's good. Now we want some pins. Right, so pins next. Right, pins. Okay, let's sort the pins out. Right, pins. Right, pins are... Alright, so it's from the edge, 5 mil. So 5 mil from the edge. Problem is now we've already sunk it, haven't we? Yeah, so if I draw it there, I don't know what we're going to get, whether we get the top or not. So 5 mil from the edge. I could hold off. I'll tell you what, let's hold off. Let's not. Yeah, I've got an idea. So we won't sync it yet. We'll do our measurements. So 5 mil from the edge, start of the pin, and it's in the centre. So the pin from the other edge is. Let's get some more room. Massive ruler I've got here. No room. Right, so it's 9. Can't see. 8. Let's say 8 mil from the other edge. Right, so that's length of our pin, 4.5 mil. Yeah, it could be 4.5 mil. Yeah. So it points down, and let's say that the width of it is not a lot actually. It's not 1 millimeter. What is it? Is it 2? I can't tell. Can't tell how deep it the pin is. $1 mil. It's not 2 mil. 2 mil. No, it's not 2 mil. Let's say it's 1.5 mil. So we need to go Need to find the middle and go. It's 1.5 mil, so 0.75 that way. 0.75 that way. We haven't had any bleaks for a while, have we? Let's have something.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
Right, so let's put in that. That looks too far back, doesn't it? Is it really like that? Oh, it is, yeah. Amazing. Wouldn't think it'd be that far in, but it is. Right, so we've got that. What's next? That's sort of almost flush with the top back. It's back a little bit. $5 mil. Yeah. So 5 mil from the ends. $5 mil from the ends. And is it 5 mil? 4 mil. 4 mil, maybe 4 mil. Yeah. 4 mil. So let's say it's 4 mil from there. And you've got, that's just start of it, and it's 1.5 mil. 1.5 mil. And 1.5 mil. Right, okay. So, yeah, looks about right. Yeah. Close enough. I shouldn't say close enough because it never is close enough. Right, so we've got all that. Let's get rid of the geometry. Okay, so now we can push them down. We need to paint these. They need to be... Right, let's see if this will work. So we'll paint them steel, metal. How about that? Or is that? Let's paint them steel. Alright, and let's push this down. 17.5 mil. Right, no, didn't quite work out for us. Okay, let's just carry on painting them. Okay. Oh, not quite okay. Right, so we've got them. This one, this earth pin is about... Whoops, just brushed all my keys. I hope I haven't stopped the stream. Right. Right, so we're okay. So this one is... say it's 1 mil down. 1 mil down. And now these are a lot further down. Right, how far down? So 5 mil. 5 millimeters down. Okay, now you never get what we've got there. So we need to, what's that? 0.25. 0.25. 0.25. Right, now is it going to let me? If I grab that. How did I do this last time? Can I grab that, and that, and pull it down? No, it's not part of it. It's part of it there, so it won't let me do that. So I think I can only put. Oh, I can do it, but the wrong way around, can't I? So if I grab that, it's not one piece, is it? Right, let's try and. Can we intersect it with the model? No, nothing to intersect. So it did it with a circle. Back to this point again, aren't I? How did I do it with a... Maybe I can do it with a circle, but not a square. Okay, so I'd have to do it manually, wouldn't I? Okay, let's do it manually then. So if I measure what we got there, 2.5. So if I come 0.25 there. There. Terrible QRM, yeah, probably. 0.25. 0.25. Right, so we've gone to 0.25. So if I do 3D view and run a wire from there to there, there to there, there to there, there to there, yeah. Right, so I've got that. And if I get rid of... Why have I get... Oh, I've got to draw a line from there to there. There to there. It's a slope process, but if I copy, I can copy the geometry once I've done it on the onto the rest. Maybe. Maybe. Alright, so we've got geometry, so if we get rid of the squares now. Okay, so we've got that. Let's get rid of construction lines. Save it. Come out of the X-ray mode. Paint it. So what have we got now? Yeah, that's better. So how can we copy? Can we copy that? Yeah, we can. Sort of. I want to copy it without doing it all again. So we grab that. Copy, paste. Oh, it's not quite the same size as it is. pin's not the same size, is that right? Pin... do they look the same? Possibly. Can't tell. They do look a tiny bit thinner. Okay, so we won't do that then. Right, so what we'll do is... Oh my god, so... What we got? Right, let's have to do it manually. 2.5. No, it's not 2.5. It's 0.25. Oh my god, do we want all this detail? I suppose so. 0.25. I'm going to be here forever doing all this. I don't think we want this kind of detail. I don't know. But if you're making an IEC connector, you might as well make it. You can reuse it, do it once. Do it once, I don't know. Right. Let's just carry on, as soon as we've gone this far with it. Oh, well, let me draw that. So I've got to be in X-ray mode. Oh, it did draw it, but yeah, it didn't show it. Why am I putting a tape measure on? It needs to be a line. Okay, so we've drawn them. Let's get rid of... No, that's not... I know why we didn't draw a line from there to there. Yeah, this tool's a bit out of... SketchUp's a bit... This version of SketchUp's a bit out of date, really, with modern workings. But it's free, sort of. What happened there? What's gone on? Why did that? Oh no, that's okay. So have I finished? I don't know if I finished or not. Yeah, line, yeah. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, that's construction line. Why have I got construction lines? I don't know. Oh yeah, so I put them there. Right, so let's just copy that bit. Copy and paste. It's okay, we need to go down. So I need to put it here a minute and grab it from there instead of the other bit and lock it into there like that. Okay, and then I should be able to delete these lines. Okay, so we should have now what we're after. Apart from the colours. Okay. So we've got a plug there, yeah. Nothing else to do on that plug, I don't think. No, that's it. Apart from screws. So let's make it a component. Say there. Right, let's bring back the PSU. What's happened to the PSU? It doesn't know. Yeah, we haven't cut a slot out in it. So now we need to cut a slot out in the PSU. Oh my god. Right, and the slot we need is the back. So if I go into here, and just copy that geometry there. I've got nothing else, that's it. Come out and bring the PSU back, but there we need to hide this. So we need, right, we need to, I'll tell you what, we'll move that 100 mil out the way. Alright, and then we'll paste in place. And you can't see it, but there it is. And we need to bring that to the surface now. So let's see if we can just grab it and bring it to the surface. On the face of the component, that'll do. Okay. Now really should make it slightly bigger than the surface of this, but I'm not that bothered, so it's going to be a cutout, so just remove it. Is that right? Can't tell in this mode. It would have been if I'd have right, need to cut it, paste it in place, and then just delete it. Delete it, yeah. Okay, and then put back the, move it back 100 mil. Okay, so we've got that. Yeah. Right, okay. This is madness, isn't it? But we've got to get that cut out in the right place. But do they wander around then? Maybe each power supply will put that in a different place. I don't know. We need to do a bit of research on that. Because it needs a certain amount of cutout, doesn't it? To, yeah, I think it just layers around this. Yeah, and that becomes the back. Right. Just going for an interim. I'll be back very soon. I do. Alright.
The computer converts these numbers into impulses that cause sound waves to come directly from a loudspeaker.
Right, okay.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
Okay, it goes go longer. I've got to get this power supply though. I just realised we can see through the grill a big fan. And am I going to model a fan? No, I'm not. Not going to model a fan. That would take a day in itself, I think. Maybe not. Right, so okay, so what's next on this power supply? We've got a switch. Nice switch, on-off switch. Suppose we need an on-off switch. And that is 5mm. 5mm away from this. And it's... does this even matter? From the bottom, it's 32.5 from the bottom. And it's 15 mil. 15mm, and the width is 20mm. Okay, and then the border of it is 2 mil. It's got a 2mm board, so we put that in there. Then we offset it by 2mm, and the button is whatever else is left. It's got a rocker button in it, so that's going to be interesting, isn't it? Never made a rocker button before. Let's have a look at the depth of it. It's 2 mil, is it? 2 mil up. 1.5, 2 mil. It's raised up 2 mil. So we'll go up 2 mil. And what else will paint it? What colour? That colour? No, that colour. Yeah. So it's like that. So we can get rid of the geometry. No, not geometry. Construction lines. Okay. Now we need a rocker. "30 kilometres from the Mediterranean." Sounds like you're from Scotland, but anyway, could be. Right, a rocker switch now. How do I do a rocker switch? Let's have a look at the profile of it. So we'll start with a square. I'll tell you what we'll do. it's got to be rounded and it's got to be, yeah. So let's start with a square. Let's sort of get the size right. The size is, the width of it is, what is it? Can't tell. What is it? Right, I'll say 12.5. Let's say 12.5. So, what we got here? 16. And I've got to make the switch out of this somewhere else. Let's make it and put it in there after. So let's put it here. 12.5. So I need a. What's the width of it? Right, so I need a 12.5 by 10 mil. Right, that's the rocker switch. It's got a certain amount of depth to it. The depth is at least 5. Let's go around by, let's say 7.5 depth. So let's go 7.5. Okay, now we've got to curve this and bend it and shape it. So rocker switch at the bottom, they bow out. They bow out by a little bit. So I need to bow it out. Bow these ends out. Now it's not. Yeah, so how can I bow it out? If I do an arc. Yeah, that could work. What's that? Half a mil? Yeah. Right, so it won't let me do that. Okay. So I'm going to have to do whatever that size is. 7.5. So 3.75 is the middle. I have to go, and I want to come out a bit there, so say 3. Let's do it a circle. 3.75. No, it's not quite right. It's too much, isn't it? So it's right there, but the arc needs to be a bigger circle. So a bigger circle. Let's try it from here. Yeah, that could work. But it's got. No. Tell you what we'll do, we'll compromise a bit. We won't try to make it round. I'll just split it up. Outside of Europe. What happened to that? Where's my wire gone? What on earth is happening? Undo guide. Oh, it's a guide. I don't want a guide. I want a line. Undo draw line. Redo draw line. Okay.
Echo America 5, Juliet Zulu.
So I need to pull
America 5.
this about a bit, don't I? So what I need to do, I can't seem to get round to it. So if I grab the line and pull that way, half a mil, 0.75. And if I grab this one, 0.75, and if I drop this one down 0.75, is that a rocker switch? Does it look like a rocker switch? Certainly does. It certainly does, Stan. Right, okay. Let's colour it. We've made a rocker switch. Just noticed I haven't got no colour there. Right, okay, so we've got that. Don't need a surface there, really. So we need to group that. Group it, or make it a component. Don't know. Group it, make it a component. And we make this a component. And we put that in there.
Well, you're sounding very good. I'm coming up towards Japan at the moment,
Right, let's line it up. Don't know how you line it up. Line it up manually? Is manual good enough? It doesn't look like it looks too small, doesn't it? Right, so we've got some movement in it.
I'll have the same. I'm not sure if it's from one neighbour or from a number of neighbours. I have no idea. But normally I can come in here during the day and my noise level in 40 is about an S2. Come the evening and you know, from about tea time onwards, the noise level is horrific. It's okay if I'm beaming to North America and to the west, it's nowhere near as bad, but in north and east, it's absolutely horrendous. So I feel your pain, Emma.
Alright, so we need to extend it a bit. So I need to go into it and take it over 0.5 of a mil, maybe. .5 of a mil. Right, have we totally wrecked it? No. Oh, we have, yeah, we've totally wrecked it now. So I need to grab, make sure I got this bit. Right, okay. Right, will it fit now? So, are we sticking out enough? Not so sure. No, it needs to go higher. Ah, I know what the problem is. It's in the middle. It's not switched one way or the other. So we need to rock it. We need to sort of make that side level. Right, what's that like? Should it be flush? No, it is actually flush. So it needs to go down a bit. Right, something not quite right. That's okay there, but then that's too low there. Maybe they're like that. Let's just go down a bit. Okay, we could do, that could work as long as we make the bottom. So we need to take the bottom out. Hang on. Let's take that out. Put it back in. And colour the bottom. Right, the problem we got now is where right, we need a cutout again, so let's hide the PSU. Okay, so we've got that area there, and you can see it needs to go over a bit, I think. Let's find out where.
I can hear somebody calling me, but I have no idea where you're calling me from.
Oh, yeah, there's the centre. Okay, so what is going on here? What is that? Is that a gap? I don't know what that is. Right, so what's going on here? Right, it's a glitch again. Ah, because it's the same problem we got. It hasn't got a thickness, has it? We need a body. That's it. We need a body for our rocker switch.
No, there's a couple of neighbours, Velco, who have solar panels, but I've been outside the property with a receiver, another receiver, and small antenna, and no noise from them. The noise is coming from another property. I have found one house with lots of noise, 24 hours, 24/7 noise coming from the north. I found one.
Okay, so we've got that.
And there's another one from the east. The one from the north is one.
Alright, so we need to delete that. Re-put back the line.
I have no issues with at the moment, over. Very possible. Very, very possible. On Tuesday, I have a couple of
Right, so we've got something, but it's void of whatever character. Right, so we need some graphics. Some graphics on it, so we need some text. And the text we need on it is 0 and 1. So we'll have a 0. Alright. No, that's not going to do it. .25.
Coming from the east and the north. So I think my neighbour from the north is causing a major problem in every band, and obviously the neighbour from the east is doing the same.
Where is it?
But the problem is, Velco, even if we find out who is the culprit, if they do not want to help, there's nothing you can do, over.
2.2 millimeters.
Possibly, yes. Well, we can speak to the local who can
Oh, it's a little bit too small.
I don't know what you would call them. and we can put our complaints to them. Do you have an association there as well? Yes, the problem is global. The problem is global now. We have lots
Oh,
of
it's gone on there, right?
unfilled
That's good.
equipment, and obviously we also have other problems with the pylons and transformers and noisy, which can be a real pain as well. But
Okay. I could fill it with white. No.
I bought in 2001 Velcro, and there was no noise, no QRM. The DS meter was always at zero when there was nobody talking. It was a beautiful location. But in the last 10, 12 years or so,
Where's it
progressively
gone?
really, really bad. Anyway, Velcro, lovely to meet you. Thanks for coming in and saying hello. Good luck with your noise.
Oh, I see what I've done. Undo, open, undo, 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 field.
That is possibly the Velcro. I'll wait for a while and maybe through time we might end up moving somewhere else. I don't know. It will all depend on the wife, of course. If she doesn't want to move, then I have no chance. Anyway, you're also 40 over 9. Very strong here, Velcro. 7-3, good evening. Thanks for saying hello. Echo America 5, Japan Zulu. EA 5, JZ, CQDX.
Okay, so I've got an on-off switch, which is slightly weird
Oh, we
looking.
don't get enough of QRM from the neighbours, and we get the QRM from
So
the
I think-
idiots.
Yeah, is it close enough? Maybe. Right, so let's save
spending
that.
all your money on an amateur radio license, buying all your equipment, buying your antenna, buying your amplifiers, buying everything that you buy with a hobby. It's costing a fortune on electricity bills, and having to come in and make QRM. Absolutely shameful. I would
Right, 2 mil.
I would imagine this guy's wife has ran away, left him for another woman as well. How sad.
Right, 10.5, we need to leave 2 mil.
Echo America 5, Japan Zulu, CUDX.
So we
Echo
need
Alpha
to
5, Japan Zulu. Echo America 5, Japan Zulu, CUDX, and by.
2 mil. Okay.
Just a pity about the QRM, over. Some idiot here deliberately jamming. I'm not sure who it is, what they're doing, but obviously somebody has no excitement in their life and has to QRM it, I'll call.
Right, okay.
Okay, I will see what happens, but I don't know why people do it, but anyway, whatever floats their boat, Velcro. Some people have a very strange life, so you knocked it in the nail on the head, absolutely. Okay, this is Echo Alpha 5, Japan Zulu, with a station from Japan.
Nice, mate, nice. Well done. Right, okay. Where's it gone? There it is.
Echo America 5, Japan Zulu, CQDX. Echo Alpha 5, Juliet Zulu.
So we got that, we got that.
EA 5, J7,
Paste it in place.
CQDX, over.
Bring back PSU. We hide that and that. Oh, hang on. We need to group that. Hang on a second.
Mike 6 Delta
And
Tango Tango. EA 5 Japan Zulu, good evening. And thanks for the call, Derek. My name is Paul. Over. Well, there's always idiots in every way of life, Derek. Unfortunately, there's a lot of them here in the hobby. Can't communicate with anybody, so all they do is cause QRM, but anyway, they must lead a very sad life. It's absolutely crazy. But anyway, whatever turns them on, if they're bothering me, they're leaving someone else.
Yeah. Right. Okay, so all we got here. It's 9 o'clock. We've been going for an hour and 52. And so far we've done a cube with 4 holes in it. We've made an IEC connector and we've made a rocker switch. The rocker switch doesn't seem to the graphics. It's not good, is it? I wonder if I could do anything with this. Can I do such a thing? Yeah. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Oh. No, white. Okay, so we can do that. No, didn't like that. Bigger, like that. Maybe. Oh my god, look at this. That's going to take a while to delete.
Well, it's not illegal to buy a radio, that's the thing. Derek, it's not illegal to buy one, it's illegal to transmit, of course, on each without a license, but it's not illegal to buy the equipment. And that's where the problem lies. But anyway, listen, the guys that are causing the QRM, Derek, are not necessarily pirates or unlicensed guys, it's probably guys that had their license.
That's alright. It's a little bit out on the alignment there. Oh god, it's funny.
Anyway, Derek, thanks for the call and good evening from down here in Spain. I'm just outside of Valencia, 73.
Valencia. Right, that's our rocker switch. Okay, so we've got a rocker switch. Bloody hell. I can't believe it. There's loads of extra stuff on here yet. Alright, so we've got some graphics. I won't bother with the graphics. We've got a little bit of a bevel. It'd be nice to have the bevel.
I'm sorry you didn't cover that. I've got a lot of QRM.
Let's have a bevel.
Very high, unfortunately, coming from neighbours.
I was going to model this exactly, but yeah, almost. So 6 by 6. Let's give it a bevel. 6 by 6. Looks better with a bezel. Right, let's give it a bezel. So 6 down, 6 across. 6 across, 6 up, and we want a line from there to there, and we want one from there to there, there to there, and there to there. And then we want to get rid of geometry, construction lines. No, that's deleted everything. Right, so we're in there. We need to push this all the way to there. All the way to there. All the way to there. And all the way to there. Come out. We've got a beveled power supply. Yeah. Okay, it's looking cool. Apart from no power supply is contained within. Totally, so we've got actually, yeah, we've got a grill. We've got a grill on the end and a grill, a fan on the bottom, which you won't see. So I think we need a grill. Let's do a grill. Let's sort the grill out. Okay. So the grill starts. 6 mil over.
Okay, this is station with Victor Delta or
6 mil. And then we've got line at 9 mil. And then we've got down, the first one starts at 6 mil. Okay, and we come across there to 34 mil. 34 mil. And we've got one at, gotta go at 56 mil. And we've got one at 57.5 mil. Right. That's not quite right. So we're going to start again. 55. And then we want to go at 58. That's better. Now we've got one at 100. And then we've got one at 142. Right, okay. So we've got that, and we've got the width of these now, which are 3 mil. 3 millimeter. Okay, we can do that. So 3 millimeter. What's the distance between them? 2 millimeter. 3 millimeter. 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 How many have we got in total? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2mm, 3mm, 2mm, 3mm. So where's the end? Okay.
Noise level of 2 or 3 during the day, but in the evening here, Johan, it's terrible.
2,
Absolutely terrible for Johan. In the next
3,
I won't keep it long, Johan.
2,
QS flying to 20 meters.
3,
Too much noise here for me,
2,
unfortunately. 73 is Oscar Norway
3.
Charlie Alpha is 85.
Okay, that's looking good. Right, we can live with that. Let's draw some lines. So we want one here, like that. Another one there.
73. Thanks for the call.
And we got 3 of them, and 9 of the others. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I've got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What have I got 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Something wrong with them, but anyway. I've got 10 instead of 9, so I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll have another one there. Something wrong here. Don't know. What have I done? Not allowed for something. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, so 100 and whatever that is spacing. So what we got here? We got 3 mil. Let's do 3 mil.
From your mobile as always, 10 to 15 over S9. Japan Lima 3 Kilo Alpha Uniform Mobile, Echo Alpha 5, Japan Zulu, sayonara. This is Echo Alpha 5, Japan Zulu, CQ Far East.
No, that's not going to do it. Gone silent, haven't I? Sorry. Right. Okay, so we've got that done. Let's have a bit of Daisy Daisy.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too.
Right. Okay, so we've got them there. What else we got? Is that it? We seem to have an extra one for some reason. Oh well. Oh, we've got some indents. I think we'll have the indents as well. Right, let's carry on down because we've got hollows and indents. So we can take the hollows out. Oh, I made a mistake there, look at that.
It's always nice to hear you. We've worked so many times in the past, it's always good to hear your voice. And thanks for the nice report into Muscat. And my town is speaking to Japan at the moment, and you're still pitching 10 decibels over 9. 10 dB over S9, that's all over.
Okay. Ooh, wrong. Okay, so we want some more lines now. Where do they start? Let's have a look. Almost straight away. So 2 mil, 3 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil. Where's the last one? Okay, one more. 2 mil, 3 mil. Okay, it's something not quite right there. Let's have a look. Okay, we could live with it. So let's put some infill. So there's 3 down there.
No, stand by, please. Papa Delta 1 only. Papa Delta 1, go ahead.
3. Right, okay. Gonna need a line, a ruler.
You're going to have to speak up a wee bit, please. Papa Delta 1 Echo Golf, is that correct? Hello, good evening. Thanks for the call. Nice to say hello. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and I'm in Valencia. Good evening. And what's your name?
Right, so that one slanted. Oh, these two are slanted.
Okay, Ailco. Pleasure to meet you on 40 metres. Thanks for the call from Lower Scotland. And you're 5'9 plus 59.
Right, okay.
Okay, sorry, I never got the tail end of the you are using the radar. Are you using the radar on this frequency, Ailco? Are you getting that QRM?
I think we'll lose that. Forget that one. Right, so what else we got here? None in the middle, and just some at the right hand side. Okay. And they're tapered as well. So we want a line from there. And it's tapered like that. So we'll have a line from here. About there. Okay.
Japan, Florida, 83, Kilo November Whiskey. Hello, Melvin. Very good morning to you. Nice to hear you coming through so well.
Do they go all the way over? Yes, they do.
All is the name of it. I'll give you a report next time. Japan, Florida, 3, Kilo November Whiskey. Echo America 5, Japan, Florida, 3,
And do we want more? No, that'll do it. Alright, that'll do it. Okay. Okay, so we've got them, and these are embossed in. Can't tell from this position. Let's go back to there. These are embossed in, but not very much. 0.25. No, not quite enough. 0.5. Okay. Right, what have we got? We've got vents and embossed. Okay, so they're not very embossed. They are, but they're not. So that'll do. Right, okay. That'll do. So we've got our on-off switch that says 10 on it. Is that right? No, it doesn't say 10. It's because they've got to be rotated. Right, so they've got to be rotated. Right, that's got to be rotated. And I've got to have to oh. Right, is it not gonna? Right, doesn't like that. I can rotate it from there, like that. I'll have to move it up a bit, and maybe across a bit, and then this is gonna have to be rotated. No, that's moving it. Wrong one. Okay. Okay, then it's going to have to be moved. Okay. Doesn't look quite right, does it? Oh, is it? No, the one's got to go up a bit more. Okay, what we got now? So this power supply has got nothing in it, so I don't know how it's going to power the computer anyway. Right, so we've got that, we've got an on-off switch, we've got our screw holes, we've got nothing doing here, no cable exit, that's fine, I ain't going to model no cables. Right, there's something missing from there. Yeah, let's have that bit of fancy graphic. That's the graphic there, look. So we'll do that little bit just to set it off. Why not? So we've got to go 20. $24mm up. 24. That's not it. 24mm up. And we need to start by 45mm over. And is it 45mm over from here? Yes, it is. So 45mm over from there. And we've got a bezel of, we'll sort the bezel out in a minute. Alright, then we've got 35mm from the sides, 35mm and 35mm, and it comes out right to the end actually. Yeah, okay, we could do that. Let's do that. So let's draw a line from there to there, there to there. Oh, something's gone wrong. If that's all the way to there. Ah, yeah, I know what I've done. So let me just correct that. Let's move this over by say 5mm, 7.5. Oh, I already embossed them, didn't I? Okay, that's going to be a bit of a problem then. Right, let's undo, move, undo, move. I need to grab the embossed side of it. I need to grab it like that and move it properly. 7.5. Grab that. Couple more. Okay. Right, now I need to draw a line from there. No, not from there to there. And from there to there. Well, that needs to be rounded. Yeah, it needs to be rounded. So I need to decide. Let's just make this something like, what's that? 2.5 and 2.5. I don't suppose this will let me do this. No. So I've got to do a circle and let's do that, and it won't go enough. Let's go half again. What's half of 2.5? 1.25. Circle from there. No. Difficult to do. Okay. So, do we not have a curve then? Software is not good, is it? Okay, so let's just see. Oh, let me do that. That's it. So we'll have that, and we'll copy it, paste it, flip it, flip along. Where's the flip? There's no flip along there. Why won't it let me flip nothing? No flip along. Oh, maybe it's part of the flat script. That's annoying, isn't it? Oh well. Let's just get rid of it. Let's just draw a line then. Draw a line from there to there. And let's try and do this. Oh, I don't know how far it is. Hang on. Let's measure it. Oh my god, it's complicated. 4.21. Doesn't like that. If I do that, it's not going to be right, is it? Is it close enough? No, it's not close enough. We'll try it. Try it. Does it look horrible? Let's have a look. It's okay. It's alright. Okay, so that we got that. Let's get rid of lines. Okay, so we've got that. Look, should that follow that? Yeah, it should do. So, right, so we're not quite right here. Can that be moved? No. That's a shame, isn't it? We didn't follow that line. Tell you what we'll do. We'll go like that and we'll just guesstimate it. Okay. No, we can't do that. Right, okay, so we're gonna have to yeah, okay, now we could probably do it. Okay, so emboss 0.25. Okay, so we've got that. Oh, does that other one follow that one? Yes, it does. So these follow that one as well. So, hang on. Okay, so we want a line from there. Uh-oh, wrong one. Okay, they're a little bit too far over. Can I select them all? Yeah. I need to move them over. Okay. Right, okay. So we need something like that. Right, so it's 3 mil. Yeah, that's going to be okay. We'll call it like that. Right, what's different? Oh yeah, there's another bit. We need another one from there down like that. It's only a placeholder. Right, and this one, what does that do? It swings round and arcs over to this point here. No. Okay. Right, so yeah, we're okay there. Yeah, alright, so I need a blue. That needs to be blue, so let's choose a blue. A nice light cayenne blue, bright blue. What colour is it? What colour is that blue? Cyan. Cyan blue. It's not that one. Is that too much? Yeah, too bright. It's not quite something, not quite right. No, it's gotta be. See that one? No. Too dark. It's too dark. It's gonna have to be that one. Right, okay. Once you've got that, we need to push it slant. That has to be pushed down. So this one has to be pushed down somehow. So to push that down we need 3D, so we can't just grab that now. No, I think that I don't need to push that down, do I? No, we'll leave it like that. Tell you what we'll do, we'll inset it slightly. Yeah, we'll just push that down, the whole thing down. That'll do. Better than nothing. It's supposed to be angled, but that'll do. We've got, of course, we've got now. Yeah, the whole thing needs to come up. Or no. I know what we need. We need a bit of this going on. So we need to grab that. We need to get that line there and just come out a tiny bit. Or should we leave that one? Let's do this one instead. That's it. Yeah, this does follow it all the way around. I'm not going to do all of it though. Right, so we want a darker area. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so just want now the logo. Just the logo now. GS700. Okay. GS is in dark, in blue, same blue, and the 700 is in white, so or gold. So let's make this bigger. 8 GS. Okay. What's that look like? It's about the right size. Font's not brilliant though. Oh well. Right, let's colour the blue. Where's the cyan gone? And we've got a grey. Okay. That's, don't know. No, it's a different colour blue. It's not. That's not the right colour blue. Let's change these blue colours. Find some nice blue. Could be that one. Okay, can live with that. Just do need a brown, an edge round there though. So can I select this as an edge? What's going on here? That's weird. What's that done? Has that wrecked it? So I don't want this one. Right, I don't want. Oops, come back, bugger. I want that, more that, more that. So I need to colour that. That's okay. Apart from that's changed its colour. Let's go down a shade. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Right, okay. Okay. That'll do. I'm not going to go all the way around there because that'll sit on a plastic. Anyway. Right, I think that's okay. Apart from, yeah, why is that like that? Don't know. Is that going to be a problem? No. Okay. That's it, I think. Apart from that, plastic does go all around this side, but never mind. I think that's close enough. Right, let's put it somewhere now. Let's put it somewhere. What we've got. See how long we've been going. I want to make sure. So we've got that. Is everything part of this now? It's not, is it? That's part. That's on its own. This is all part of it. So if hide the PSU. We've got them. So we need to put them in the PSU layer. Okay. Right, so we'll stick that back over there now. What did I say? Was it 500mm? Oops. Oh, it's staying where it is. Let's sort that out. Sort that out. So we've got that, that, and that. Okay. $500mm, was it? No. Right, let's position this somehow. So we've got to bring it forward. Let's bring it forward to the on the face of the component, then bring it out. It's going to come out 6mm. Right, so we've got, yeah, looks okay. In reality we'll have some screws going through, so it will be set in actually. So we probably should do it the way we're going to do it, so let's 6mm. Right, so that's where it's going to be. So what we need to do is cut this out now somehow. So we need to cut that out by hiding the back shelf and the back plate. And we need to grab hold of the edges. That'll do. Right, so why have we got? Oh, that's just the axis, right? So copy, paste in place, and we need to cut it out. So that'll be okay. So hide the PSU, bring back the back plate, and if we push it through, we're not going to have nothing to fix on. So it needs to be smaller by a certain amount. So let's... Oh, we're not going to be able to do it unless we repair it. Okay, so we've got that. And what we're going to do now is shrink it. Shrink it by an amount. 10mm? No, 12mm. Is that too much? Maybe that's too much. Yeah, you can see you'd never get that bit in there. So undo. Undo layers, undo layers, undo offset. So the offset 6mm. Okay, sort of. It needs to be notched around there. It's close. It's close, but not close enough. So why is that not that? Oh, it's got a surface on it, hasn't it? Yeah, so we need that surface. I think we'll use that as a temp. Then we'll fill it in. So we don't want that one. So we want that, and we want to be able to, yeah, so we want that off there. We bring back the back plate, cut it, paste it in place, then we push it through. That's it. Bring back the power supply. Something not right. Oh, hang on. No, it is right. Yes, right. Okay, so we've got. So we need to ergonomically shape around this, which we can do. We've got to allow for the fixings to come out. Alright. Yeah, we've been going for 3 hours nearly. Right, so we need to tailor it. So we can do this. We can move that one. We can move that up about, what was it?
CQDX, CQ North America,
3 mil.
CQDX, Fox 1 Eco, Mexico, X-ray. CQDX, CQ40, meaning North America, CQDX outside Europe, Fox 1 Eco, Mexico, X-ray.
Okay, so we've brought that like there. We need to do the same with this one. No, that's not working out, is it?
November 2, India. Is it November 2, India? You're out of frequency.
Okay, so we've got a bit there and a bit there, yeah.
CQDX, CQ30X-ray, Fox 1 Eco, Mike X-ray, Florida 1 Eco, Mexico X-ray, CQ North America, CQDX, 140, CQ North America, Fox 1 Eco, Mexico X-ray. Thank you, outside Europe, please. Fox 1 Eco, Mike X-ray, Florida 1 Eco, Mexico X-ray, CQ North America. I'm calling VX, my guy, not Europe, please. Thank you. CQDX, CQ North America. Mexico X-ray, Florida 1 Eco, Mike X-ray, CQ North America. X-ray. Fox 1 Echo, Mexico X-ray. Florida 1 Echo, North America. CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, meaning North America, last score. Fox 1 Echo, Mike X-ray. Florida 1 Echo, Mexico X-ray. CQDX, meaning North America, listening.
Okay. It's alright for a start. Okay. Right, so we're okay for a start now because it's shimmering because we're bang on the surface, so I need to take the whole thing that way at least 0.1. That's it. Oh, very nice. Okay, so we've built our power supply. It's not sitting on there though. That's a shame, isn't it? So the whole thing needs to sit down. It'll do for now because we'll sort that out another day because we're already high here anyway. Okay, so let's get it all back together. Let's put the sides and the lid on. So we've had a good week this week. We've done the floppy drives, we've done the CD-ROM, and now the ATX power supply. And we've still got a nice room for the graphics, well, display things, and we're okay. Right, so I think we ought to leave it. What about an X-ray? Does it need to be X-ray? No, let's not have an X-ray one. Let's have a normal one. Now, got to position it so we can see what it is. Can you tell what it is yet? So, we did this. I've got no screws yet. That's a shame, we haven't got the screws, isn't it? Do we want to do screws? Doesn't look right without the screws. I don't know. Anyway. Is that okay? Yeah, that's going to be okay, I think. Yeah. That'll be it. That's our next thumbnail. That's our next thumbnail. Right then, so that is going to be the stream today. Just save it again. Everything's on apart, yeah. Dry bay, floppies, dry bay, back shelf, hang on. back shelf bracket. What? Oh, that's, yeah, that needs to go back there. Back plate. Yeah, so put the back shelf bracket on. Okay, let's just... Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Right, that's it then. So, thanks for watching. Let's do some... Get rid of me. I'm gone. Thanks very much. Bye-bye. And let's do...
The computer converts these numbers into impulses that cause sound waves to come directly from a loudspeaker. The art of computer graphics is only in its infancy. Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described. The entire musical score accompanying this film was composed on a computer that can produce nearly endless variations of sounds.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer to a chord I carried. But you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two.